Hello students, welcome to my channel. Let's learn science. In our today's session, we will learn about another two important components of food. Water and number two is roughage. As you know that water is very important for all living beings. Without water, no living beings can survive. Because there are several reasons why without water, living organism cannot survive. Then let us see what are the functions the water is used to perform in our body. Sometimes it is also called as life of animals or life of living beings. Why? Because about 90% of water is about 90% of water is there in our what? Blood. Then about 70% of water is there in our body. That means about 70% of our body is composed of water. 70% in our body. Our brain, human brain, about 95% of about 95% of water is found in human brain. Or human brain is composed of 95% of water. That is 95% in brain. So can you imagine about what percent of our bodies, our entire body is made up of water, composed of water. That's why it is very important. Not only this, besides this also, water is used to perform some other sort of function also. Let us see what are the other functions water is to perform in our body. That is, it is to remove waste product from our body. When I eat food, it is to digest, and after the digestion, the useful substances which are required for our body, that has been absorbed by blood, and which one is not required for the body, that part is called waste product. Okay, so it removes waste product from our body. If I give you some example, urine, then sweat, these are what? These are waste product that is produced in our body, that is to eliminate or remove from our body with the help of what? Water. Besides this also, it is to control our body temperature. If our body temperature is too low, then we cannot survive. If it is too high, then also it is problematic condition. So optimum range of our body temperature is needed. That is maintained by what? Water. So did you get it? That's why water is one of the important component of our food. Now let's see your roughage. Like water, this one also don't have any nutritional value or energy value in a body. But why you have to take picture? The roughage is also called dietary fiber. Although it doesn't have any energy value or nutritional value, it is to perform some other sort of activity in our body. It is to keep our digestive system, which is very essential for the digestion. Because if the digestion will not take place in our digestive system, then our body cannot absorb the essential nutrients for the body. So digestion is very essential. So it helps in the digestion of what? Food. It helps in the digestion of food. Roughage is that part of or that component of food which cannot be digested by our digestive system, but it helps in the digestion. Understood? Besides this also, it is to keep our digestive system clean. We used to take bath every day, right? To become fresh, to become clean. But we didn't used to, wash we didn't able to, wash our stomach. Each and every day we used to take different types of food, but we never realize about that one that are putting inside. It is getting dirty. So that roughage is responsible to keep our digestive system, clean. Besides that also, it prevents constipation. If we take the dietary fiber, then what happens? There will be no constipation in our digestive system. So in this way, roughage is used to, carry out this activity in our body. That's why water and roughage is, regarded as the important components of the food. So this is all about what, various components of food. In my last video, I have given you the different nutrients as well as their function, right? In which food they are rich in. And today I have given about these two components, that is water and roughage. In later class, I will discuss about why or how can we take all these components of food in our diet. As we know that each and every food is not rich or is not with all nutrients of food. Different types of food contain different types of components, right? In different types of food, different types of nutrients are there. So for that reason, what solution is there for us, we will see that one in my later class.